here the SpaLife Beauty Holiday Treats Christmas Face Mask Bundle. I'm going to use these for stocking and gift bag stuffers. The packaging is so festive and the assortment is well organized. Each mask is very thoughtful and ready to give for a holiday basket or a stocking stuffer. What I like about this pack, number one, the variety is balanced and practical. There is peppermint, collagen, milk essence, shea butter, and those are all going to serve different purposes. Hydration, firming, replenishing, and soothing. This mask set is useful for all skin types. Each mask is going to be formulated to absorb well, leave the skin soft, and it's not going to leave that sticky, heavy residue that many sheet masks can leave. These are just excellent for small little gifts. I love that they're all individually wrapped in these fun designs, perfect for coworkers, teacher gifts, or self-care bundles, which is what I'm going to use them for. And the scents are peppermint and vanilla, light and pleasant. This bundle is an easy choice for holiday or personal use. The masks perform well, and the assortment is genuinely festive without being overly playful. So whether you're building a gift basket or just want a simple at-home skincare treatment for winter, this one is dependable and an appealing option. I'd absolutely purchase these again for both myself and that holiday gift giving.